Okay, so let's try to figure out this this thing. So first things first, let's try to break it piece by piece. Let me copy this query here, but I don't want to find by ID. Let's try to think out in a real application. So let's say that the person name is Penelope and last name is Guinness. So as we see here, I have found this person in the database. Let's say he's trying to search in the UI and say, hey, Penelope Guinness, how many movies does he have, and in which movies is he playing? So we have here the actor, and we see here that the ID is 1. Now the next step, let's try to think about the next step. To find out, I will need to query this film actor table where actor ID is equal to 1. And here I have found out that I have 200 and no, let me type again. Okay, 19 movies that the person is playing, and I have found here all the IDs. Now the next step, how would I do the next step? The next step would be for me to have all these IDs and, for example, type something like this. Select from film where film ID in, and all of these 19s. But this is not practical, and also this doesn't answer my my question, because I don't want to have only the movie information. I want also to have the name of the actor information. Let's put it here more clearer. I want to have the first name, the last name, the actor ID, the title of the movie, and the film ID. So to resolve this, I will need to join this table. I will need to join this table with this table and with this table. And how would I do that? You can basically do that with all the information that you have taught so far, but let's do it together on first. So for example, I will need to type the select, let's say first name, last name, actor ID, title, film ID, from, and first let's begin with actor, and then join, and now we'll have to type the condition. What is the condition? That actor ID is equal with film actor ID. This is the condition. So actor ID is equal with film actor ID, and this is the first join. But now I need to join this table with this table. So I will type join film and the condition on film actor. What is the condition on film actor? Film ID is equal with film ID. Now in our database it's not called ID, it's called film ID and also actor ID. So on film actor, film ID is equal with film ID. Now I have to type the condition. What is the condition? Where first name is equal with Penelope and for last name is equal with Guinness. So let's see if it works. Okay, from actor join, select first name, last name, title, film, from actor join. Okay, I forgot to type the name of the table. So do you see here I have this column reference ambiguous? Do you remember why is that? Well, let's try to think about it. We are telling Postgres, hey, give me this column, but this column also exists on this table, actor ID, and also on this table. So I have to explicitly tell Postgres which is the table that I want the column. Now in our case, it doesn't it doesn't really matter. I mean, it does matter because here we can have duplicates, but here we don't have duplicates. So I will type here actor dot the name of the column, and I will probably also get an ambiguous color reference on film ID. So I will type here also film, and as you can see here, I have what I tried to achieve. So I have the name of the person, I have the ID of the person, which is 1, and I have the title of all the movies and also the ID of all the movies. So what I did here, I did inner join in all of these scenario. Now if I type here right join or left join, I will probably get other information only if I have nulls, but in our case we don't have nulls in film or in actor or in film actor table. So as I said, you will mostly use joins or inner joins. Right join and left join depends on your use case scenario. So congratulations, you just did 2 joins on a 2-join query on a table. Now on the next video I will give you an exercise and you will try to do it on your own.